Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2022 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 RST. Comes equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium heated bucket seats, Toyo Open Country AT3 tires, as well as a 6.5 foot long bed, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior. We're going to have this all black interior with paneling, cup holder storage on the bottom next to the speakers. Comes up to the power locks, mirrors and windows with a wooded chrome accent. These black running boards here and these heated cloth bucket seats, super comfortable. Fans. Left side will be your vents, and down below will be your 2- and 4-wheel drive, mode selector, and lighting control. Left side of steering wheel will be your cruise control, forward collision alert, and heated steering wheel. And the right side being your voice recognition and odometer cluster control. You can access all of your vehicle information, including your trip info, your gauges, adaptive cruise, and as well as your audio, navigation, phone connectivity, and other settings. So you're gonna have 2 paddle shifters right behind as well. Push to start and onto the infotainment. Equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in Google Assistant and Maps. You can access your rear camera with Hitch guidance, as well as built-in Wi-Fi hotspot with Amazon Alexa and Google News and Podcasts. And down below will be your lane keep assist, auto stop, and hill descent control, part of the Z71 package. Right next to your integrated brake controller is your dual zone climate controls with 2 USB ports on the side, center console, your shifter, as well as a wireless charging pad, 2 more USB ports, and an AC wall port there. Passenger side, same finish, but manually adjustable. Wooded chrome across. Speakers and vents up top, and in here you can access arena lamps and your OnStar and SOS. So you're getting these 18-inch wheels on Toyo Open Country AT3 tires with the Z71 badging, black mirror caps, the body style keyless entry door handles, the 6.5 foot long bed with the Truck Hero backflip tonneau cover, paint match corner step bumper with the dual exhaust, trailer hitch and 5th wheel just under with the Rancho shocks. And you got around 12 bed tie downs as well as an AC wall port with a screw-out bed liner. It's a pretty spacious rear. All right, moving on to the rear interior, again, more paneling storage next to the speaker, power window with the wooden chrome. Hop up. We got quite a bit of legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's side, with rear cup holders, rear vents, and USB ports. Seats fold up for more storage. And you got the lamps up top with the handles on the side. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2022 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 RST. Equipped with the 5.3 liter V8 engine, as well as Toyo Open Country AT3 tires, 6.5 foot long beds, Z71 package, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see Wolfe Chevrolet very soon.